Hi dear students, welcome to a new session of Color Cube. Today we are continuing with chapter 3, operations involving large numbers. In this session we are going to discuss on multiplying with 3-digit numbers. In the previous years you already learned about multiplication tables, multiplication with 1-digit number and multiplication with 2-digit number. Now let's learn about multiplication with 3-digit numbers. What is multiplication? Multiplication is one of the 4 mathematical operations. Which are those 4 mathematical operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So today we are going to learn about multiplication, one of the basic mathematical operations. What is the symbol showing multiplication? Into is the sign. It shows multiply or multiply the following. The result of a multiplication operation is called the product. The result of a multiplication operation is called product. When we multiply two numbers, we will get one answer, no? That answer is called product. If you are asked to find out the product of 5 and 3, what you will say? What is the product of 5 and 3? Just multiply it. 5 into 3. 5 into 3 is 15. So we can say that the product of 5 and 3 is 15. Answer this in 1 minute. Before beginning this, let me ask you, are you thorough with multiplication tables? If you feel difficulty in multiplication, that means you are not thorough with multiplication tables. If you know multiplication table very well, the whole process of multiplication is damn easy. So be thorough with it. Answer this in 1 minute. Are you ready? Please do it within 1 minute. 9 into 5 is equal to 7 into 8 is equal to 6 into 8 is equal to 8 into 8 is equal to 9 into 0 is equal to 1 into 7 is equal to 2 into 30 is equal to 6 into 9 is equal to. Did you finish it? Just check those answers. If those answers are correct, you are thorough with multiplication table. Otherwise, please learn it once again so that you will be thorough with multiplication also. Find the product of the following. First question is 692 into 3. Here we are going to revise on 1-digit number multiplication. Here only 1 digit. We are going to multiply with this 3 digits. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 9 is equal to 27. We write 7 here. 2 is remainder. Okay. 3 into 6. What is it? 18 plus 2, 20. So the product of 692 and 3 is 2076. Moving on to next example. 25 into 10. Here we are going to revise on how to multiply with a 2-digit number. We already learned it. When we want to multiply with a 2-digit number, first just multiply as in the case of 1-digit number itself. 0 into 5, 0. 0 into 2, it is also 0. When we are going to start with the second digit, every time, that means number in the 10th place, write the answer just below it. That means the same place itself. Ones place every time starting with ones place itself. If you are considering on the number on the 10th place, you should start from the 10th place itself. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 2, 2. Just add it. If you write 0 here also, you may not have any confusion. Here also you can put 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. Here 0 plus 2, 2. So So the product of 25 and 10 is 250. Next question is 523 into 12. Let us begin together. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 2, 4. 5 into 2 is 10. When we are starting with the second digit, that is number in the tens place, we should start writing the answers on the tens place itself. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 5, 5. Just add it. You write 0 also, no problem. 6 plus 0, 6. 4 plus 3, 7. 0 plus 2 is 2. 1 plus 5 is 6. Now let's see how to multiply with a 3-digit number. The same process is followed, but here we are having one more digit. That is one more digit in the hundreds place. Please revise it. When we are multiplying with a number in the ones place, where we started writing? In the ones place itself. When we are multiplying with a number in the tens digit, tens place, where we started to write the answer? In the tens place itself. In the same way, if you want to multiply with a number in the hundreds place, where we should start writing? In the hundreds place. Only that much to remember. Let us start it together. 2 into 5, 10. 0 here, remainder is 1. 2 into 3 is 6. Plus that remainder 7. 2 plus 2, it is 4. We multiplied with the number in the ones place. Next, we are going to multiply with number in the tens place. So, start from the tens place itself. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 2, 2. That is also finished. Next, we are going to multiply with number in the hundreds place. So, we should start writing answers on the hundreds place itself. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 3, that is 3. 1 into 2, 2. We can put 1 0 here, 2 more zeros here in order to avoid confusion. Just add it. 0 here. 7 plus 5, 12. 2 here, remainder 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 3 here, remainder 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Plus 3, we will get 6. Here, 2. The product of 235 and 112 is 26,320. Let's see one more example. എപ്പോഴും നമ്മൾ 3-digit നമ്പർ വെച്ചാണ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ദ സെയിം പ്രോസസ്സാണ് ഫോളോ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. പക്ഷേ ഒരു ഡിജിറ്റ് അധികം ഉണ്ട്, അതിനെ ഹൺഡ്രഡ്സ് പ്ലേസ് വെച്ച് എഴുതാൻ തുടങ്ങും. അത്രയും മാത്രം ഓർത്താൽ മതി. Let us begin. 7 into 8, 56. 6 here, remainder 5. 0 plus 11, 0. Again, add this remainder 5. 0 plus 5, 5. 7 into 2, 14. So we are going to start number in the tens place. So start writing answers in the tens place. 1 into 8, 8. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 2, 2. Next is we are going to multiply with third digit, that is number on the hundreds place. 5 into 8, 40. 0 here, remainder 4. 5 into 0. 5 into 0 is 0 plus this 4, we will get 4. 5 into 2, it is 10. Now just add it. 6. 5 plus 8, 13. 3 here, remainder 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. Again 5 plus 0, 5. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. Here 0 itself. Here 1. So the product of 208 and 517 is 1,07,536. Let's see one more example, how to multiply with three-digit number. Here 2008 into 116. Are you ready? 6 into 8 is 48. 8 here, remainder 4. 0 into 6. Answer is 0. Plus that 4, we will get 4. Again 6 into 0. 0. 6 into 2, 12. We multiplied with the first digit. So next we are going to multiply with second digit. That means we should start from the second place. 1 into 8, 8. 1 into 0, 0. Again 1 into 0, 0. And 1 into 2 is 2. We multiplied with second digit also. Next we are going to multiply with number in the hundreds place. That is 1. So we should start writing answers from the hundreds place itself. 1 into 8, 8. 1 into 0, 0. Again 1 into 0, 0. And 1 into 2 is 2. Now can you add it? Here, nothing to be added, just 8 itself. 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. 2 here, remainder 1. Oh, let the remainder goes here. Remainder 1. That 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 2 plus 0, 2. Again the 2 plus 0, 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 0, 3. Here 2. So the product of 2008 and 116 is 2,32,928. Did you understand how to multiply with three-digit numbers? Please practice more problems. Thank you.